Ever tried playing music outdoors and barely heard it? Wind, chatter, and nature drown out your favorite songs. Most speakers can't handle the wild, rain, drops, or dust. You worry about battery dying halfway through your adventure. Or worse, your speaker gives up after a single splash. Packing for a trip, you want gear that's tough and reliable. But fragile tech just can't keep up with your lifestyle. You deserve a speaker that matches your energy outdoors. Meet the Turtlebox Original Gen 3 Portable Bluetooth Speaker. Check the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. Engineered for the wild, it's drop, crush, and dust-proof. Rain or shine, poolside, or beach, Turtlebox keeps playing. IP67 waterproof, fully submersible in fresh or salt water. No more panic when the weather turns or waves crash. Battery worries? Not here. Up to 3 days of playtime. That's a whole weekend of music on a single charge. Ultra-loud 120 dB sound cuts through outdoor noise. Deep bass and crisp mids, even at max volume. Your playlist finally gets the volume it deserves. Hosting a big gathering? Activate party mode. Sync unlimited Turtlebox speakers for surround sound. Fill any space with immersive, powerful audio. No more fighting over one weak speaker at parties. Before Turtlebox, quiet, tinny sound, constant worry. After Turtlebox, bold music, worry-free adventures. Before, speaker dies mid-hike, party fizzles out. After, 3-day battery keeps the vibe alive. Before, rain ruins your gear, music stops. After, waterproof, impact-resistant, music never stops. Before, carrying fragile tech, always on edge. After, rugged, reliable, built for any environment. Turtlebox is easy to carry, just 10 tubs. Compact design fits with your adventure essentials. Stackable, hard-shell case protects on the go. Perfect for camping, tailgates, fishing, or beach days. Outdoor enthusiasts love its durability and sound. Party hosts trust Turtlebox for every event. Music lovers appreciate premium audio anywhere. No more choosing between sound and toughness. No more sacrificing battery for portability. No more worrying about water, dust, or drops. Turtlebox is the speaker that keeps up with you. Set it down, turn it up, and let go. Your soundtrack, uninterrupted, wherever you roam. From mountain peaks to backyard BBQs, it delivers. Ready for rain, sun, mud, or sand, always. Sync with friends for a wall of sound. Let every adventure have its own epic playlist. No more limits, just pure, powerful music. Built for those who live life loud. Built for those who never stop exploring. Built for those who demand more from their gear. Why settle for less when Turtlebox exists? Make every moment memorable with premium sound. Don't let your speaker hold you back. Upgrade to the Turtlebox Original Gen 3 today. Experience ultra-loud, immersive sound outdoors. Experience true waterproof, impact-resistant durability. Experience 3-day battery life, non-stop adventure. Experience unlimited pairing for epic parties. Adventure-proof your music once and for all. Turtlebox, the last outdoor speaker you'll ever need. Ready to make every adventure unforgettable? Click the link to get your Turtlebox now. Don't miss out. Your next adventure awaits. Join the Turtlebox community of outdoor enthusiasts. Take your music further than ever before. Turtlebox Original Gen 3, built for the wild. Built for you. Built for adventure. Check the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. Get yours today and hear the difference. Turtlebox, play loud, play anywhere, play on.